Are you looking to sell your house fast in Baltimore? If so, finding a reputable cash buyer is crucial. Hi, my name is Brad Dwin and I'm the owner of We Buy MD Homes. And today I want to talk about why reputation matters when choosing a cash home buyer. First of all, a reputable buyer will ensure a smooth and transparent transaction. They'll provide clear terms and answer all your questions up front. This is absolutely essential when you're facing situations such as foreclosure, divorce, inheriting an unwanted property, or maybe you're just a tired landlord. Secondly, you should always check online for reviews and testimonials. Google, Yelp, anywhere where someone's leaving testimonials. Legitimate cash buyers will have positive feedback from previous sellers, and don't hesitate to ask for references. Also, the Better Business Bureau is a great source to find that information. And finally, a reputable buyer will handle all the paperwork and close on your timeline. That means less stress and way more peace of mind for you when it comes to closing. So when you're ready to sell your Baltimore home fast, choose a cash buyer with a solid reputation. Trust me when I say it makes all the difference.